Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix card not added in Apple Pay. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add a card into your Apple Pay, but you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to add card, you will get a pop-up message that you cannot add card into your Apple Pay. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. The very first thing, you just have to go back from here, and then you have to scroll down your control center, and you have to make sure that you have a stable network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending update, try to update your software. Then go back and scroll down and you'll find the option of VPN device management. You have to double check your VPN connection that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back from here, and now you just have to go for date and time and select or enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back, and after that you have to tap on the transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop-up, it will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue will be fixed and can easily add card to your Apple Pay. Or if you're still facing the same issues, so you just have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can also use Apple Sport Web, and from here you have to select your iPhone, then select subscriptions and purchases. Now select enable or select the option of update payment method, and from here you just have to go for the option of get more help, then select call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.